Today we're unboxing the Traveler's Notebook in Camel color. I bought this from Scribe PH for 2,625 pesos or around $47. This consists of a simple cow leather cover made in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and a refined notebook with MD paper used that is made in Japan. I added the link from Scribe PH. These are not affiliate links on the description below. This paper showing the contents of the packaging, the soft cloth, the leather, and then the blank refill. Here I'm just trying to feel the leather. Overall it feels felty and soft. Overall a nice feeling. This is the insert that comes with the starter package. It's just a blank refill. So you can see there the thread mark. Now I'm removing the refill so I can set it up later with the refills I bought. This is the regular size number 2 grid paper refill. This has 5mm squares, 64 pages. Now, I learned this is a way of setting up 2 or more refills. Put the free rubber band that came with the packaging in between the middle parts of the 2 refills. So now I'm opening the regular size refill number 8 zipper pocket. This has 3 slots in it. So the one end has a zipper case and another end has a pocket. In the zipper case, you can store tickets, receipts, keys, and coins. In the other end, you can put photos and postcards you collect from your travels. This is made from PVC with the size of 217 by 235mm. Right now, I'm using this for some of my stationery, the post-its, and my mechanical pencil. So as you can see, I'm setting this up with the other 2 refills I have. You just slide it in the built-in rubber like that. You can check out other YouTube videos for clear instructions on how to set up your Traveler's Notebook. That's the free rubber band that comes in with the starter package. And let's check out the number 16, the pen insert. I had a little trouble putting this on, but eventually I got the hang of it. So that's the unboxing and initial setup of my Traveler's Notebook Camel edition. I will show you my final setup on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and tell me how you set up your Traveler's Notebook on the comment section down below. See you again on the next video. Thank you.